Hi there, this is James from Burton Waters Boat Sales here in Ipswich. Just going to take you around this lovely Merry Fisher 895. She is a 21 build and 22 model year, and she's got some great upgrades on her as well. So we'll have a look around her. She has only just arrived. We're still prepping her for sale, though she is actually listed. She's got a coat of anti-foul to have yet. But let's take you aboard. Let's see what she has to offer us. So on the back here, we've got twin Yamaha 150 horsepower engines. They have only done 140 hours and will come with the remainder of their 5-year warranty from Yamaha. On the back here, we've then got the sun cap. This has got the full closing kit, so you can enclose that canopy area, the cockpit area off. And it is a generous seating area. If you've seen them before, you'll already know. And then on the top here, we've got a TV, digital TV aerial. And I'll show you where the TVs are on the boat when we pop aboard. So on the back, she had from the factory the upgrade to the teak bathing platforms, and then the owner has had the Flexi teak option added as well. Really nice feature to have on the boat, just takes that glare away from having a white deck on her. But great little feature. So as we step aboard, we get to see the size of the cockpit. Look at that. Really is a great seating area, plenty of seating for all the family or friends around there. Plus you've got the benefit of a great big storage locker under the floor as well, which is nice. You can store toys, your fenders and everything else in there. So it's really quite a good area, great area for socialising. One of my key favourite features about the 895 is the fact that you have this lovely side deck, nice and accessible, with a side door from the helm as well. And you also have the gate as well. So if you're on a linear berth or even just a normal finger pontoon, it means you can get off without having to walk near the back of the boat. Really was a good addition when they brought this 895 out. Then as we go through, you'll notice a little extra here. We've got the upgraded upholstery, the leatherette. Really nice addition to the boat, just lifts the boat. And when you do that, it also upgrades your helm position seat as well, which is a nice feature. She's got quite a lot of little bits and pieces on her that are upgrades. She's got the carpets, as you can see. And we've also got an addition on this boat, is it hasn't got a generator as it says there, but it has actually got an inverter. So you could, things like your microwave or your charge your laptops and that sort of thing, all from there. And then we've got your traditional 2-burner gas hob just under here. And then the boat also comes with a microwave. It's not a factory fitted one, but nonetheless it has got a microwave there. And then you've got your fridge freezer, nice size. They also have a freezer compartment at the top. Great if you want to have your gin and tonic, you can have your ice in it and everything. So really is quite a good setup, I've got to say, on the boat. And of course you've got this wonderful Merry Fisher 895 360-degree view, even if you're just sitting on the boat in the harbour watching everybody else go about their daily trying to moors and such like. So great features, really is. Also on here you have the seat that literally just swings back and becomes the forward-facing co-pilot bench. And then if we just come round here, we've then got your Garmin chart plotter. On here it hasn't got the card for our area, it has got for the south coast, but it also has AIS as well. So I don't think it's got the send, but it's certainly got, you can actually see where boats are around you and what the boat is. Really handy feature if you do want to have to actually get hold of them. You can connect to this system through the active captive system, and then you can subscribe as well to have your charts always up to date. And you can do all your different things, different gauges and all sorts of things, all on the boat as well, including your sonar here as well. Obviously we're out the water at the moment, so won't really give us a lot of info. So as you come around, you've got your Yamaha display, tells you how much fuel you've got on the boat, tells you your hours. As I said, she's done 140 hours. And then we've got the fusion system. Great, you can connect that with your mobile phone. Just have it on the normal radio. Great for listening to your music. Coming round, we've also got the bow thruster, and this has got the later version of the controls. These are quite new. This is the current ones that are on the Merry Fisher 895s. So you have the current fob for the boat, plus your stop start, and then we've also got your trim tabs as well. So all the nice little upgrades, including your VHF radio. So you can get straight on the water with her as well. And because she's had the factory heating installed, that means that you've got the windscreen demisters as well, giving you that ability to use the boat, not only giving you heat, but keeping the screen clear, even in the more less clement months that we do get here in the UK. So what I'll do, before we nip down below, let's have a little look on deck. And this is great because we go straight through the side door here. If you're single-handed, makes it really easy. Straight onto your midships cleat as well. So let's step out. As I say, we are still cleaning and prepping the boat, so just bear that in mind. This is pretty much how she's turned up, and as you can see, it has been looked after. We sold the boat when she was brand new. I sold it to the first owner, and then subsequently it's had another owner since, who I've just upgraded to a Jeanneau NC11. So, and they've moved up to a bigger boat. So as you can see, you've got this nice sun pad here, plenty of good deck space as well. And if we just we'll wander back inboard, on here you can see obviously you've got the twin roofs, lets lots of light and air into the boat as well as the big window on the other side, which is a good feature as well. And then we'll step in and let's have a look at what cabins we got. So let's pop down the stairs. Here we go. Here's your master cabin, all nice and clean and tidy. We're missing obviously light coming from the hatch because I've got the sun pad cushions on at the moment, but as you can see, it certainly doesn't look like it's had any heavy use on here at all. And it had the upgraded cupboards across the top. They were an addition at the factory to have them. It does give you that extra bit of storage. Now also, as I pointed out, the boat's got a TV aerial. It's also got a TV as well, so you can, if you're into your television, nice lazy Sunday morning, sit there and watch your television news in bed. Then we'll come round and then we've got your second cabin. And for the size of boat, this has always been a really good size cabin. Again, we've got another TV in here as well. Another great option to have on the boat. And then you've got plenty of storage, as well as it making a good double berth with plenty of light coming in. And also the fact that you've got that hatch down there as well and light from above. So it really is a good feature. It's a nice warm feel having these carpets, I've got to say. They do just finish the boat off. And then if we come in here, we've got your toilet, marine toilet. There's a nice little mirror in here as well. And it can turn into a shower, wet room at the same time. Nice, bold, you know, good quality look for this boat, which does offer you a lot of space and a lot of boat for your money. And to be fair, you've got that reliability of the Yamaha engines on her as well. So as you can see, really is a lovely boat. Plenty of space. Got some really nice features with the upgrades, with the inverter, the Flexi teak on the side decks and in the cockpit, the full cockpit enclosure, the upgraded upholstery, which include the helm seat, your front side pad cushions, and the AIS receive on it as well. So it really does make a nice package. The boat's going on the market at $119,950. It is very well priced at that if you look around the market, and this is our own stock boat as well. So please feel free to give us a call here at Burton Waters Ipswich, and we also offer part exchange. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Many thanks. Bye-bye.